Dual board exam plan sparks concern. Principals warn of stress, teachers burnout, and lost learning days. You're watching ENN News. I'm Arya Vidya. Let's delve into the news in more detail. India CBSE and CISE plan to implement a dual board exam system for class 10 from 2025-26, offering students 2 attempts per year with the best score considered final. While designed to provide flexibility and reduce stigma, school leaders warn of serious downsides. Principals like Sudha Acharya, Dr. Amina Mullah Wattal, Asha Prabhagar, and Ruba Chakravarti caution that the plan could double student stress, strain teachers with extended evaluation duties, reduce teaching days, and deepen education divides. Without concurrent curriculum reform, it risks reinforcing outdated routes learning. Concerns include the mental health impacts, increased remedial coaching, reduced teaching vocation time, and the teachers' burnout. Educators urge a holistic and systemic overhaul before implementing the reform to safeguard the quality of learning and teacher well-being.